Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Seed swelling in rainwater looks tricky, but this one is quick if you focus on water movement, not memorized buzzwords or flashy biology terms. Seeds swell because of imbibition, which is passive water uptake by dry seed materials. So the key idea is that water enters naturally instead of being pushed in. Water moves passively from higher water potential to lower water potential. So if rainwater is outside and seeds take water in, the seeds must have lower water potential. Dry seeds have very low water potential, so rainwater enters them and makes them swell, which matches option B exactly. That is the whole mechanism. Well done, option B. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust given facts and check steps so passive water movement points to lower water.